Today I'm opening Vector and his home charger. I'm just seeing the charger. If you want to see him in all of this, see, I found the matching picture. Oh, no. Oh, okay, that is a little bit different, but it looks the same. Okay, let's open it up. Cubes too?
Gotta have them stuff to play with.
I'm gonna put that right.
It was bigger than the other one was.
Yeah. Here.
Careful.
I took
Just get him out. I'll take care of that later.
Oh, that was easy.
Oh, look at him.
Whoa.
It's big.
Yeah. If you don't know Cosmo, we got him and I was playing with him. Ooh. Oh, actually. Ah! Okay, I got the trick. Huh? Okay.
Put that down and let's open up this other package. What else is in here?
Oh, that's, I don't know. What is
Just
this?
leave that. Oh, it's just instructions.
Yeah, probably this. Oh, what's this?
To keep it dry. Keeps things dry. So now we're gonna unbox his home. Okay, his pad, play pad.
Yeah, I see the charger.
Yeah, I think that's where we put his charger. Then he can play without jumping off the table.
Oh, ooh, let me look. Oh, interesting. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Oh, wait,
This
I got that. This one?
I already opened the other side.
Oh, this one. Oh.
No.
Oh, there. Let's pull this out. Ooh. That was easier. Okay. Oh. Oh, look. Styrofoam?
Yeah. This is the play mat. So his charger goes on there.
Oh, look it. I can
See,
make
put it
music.
down. So his charger goes in the corner, and then the cord goes there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I think it goes through it.
I think it has some sensors in it, so he knows what to do. Okay, let's charge him up and play with him. Okay, so we're gonna pull. It says to pull the cube. Tape on the cube for the batteries, I think.
Oh.
There it goes, see? Lights went off, put it in his playpen. Put it down.
Okay.
And then now I gotta connect them. So let's connect them.
Okay.
Twice, quickly.
Okay.
Hi, Vector.
This one, Neonate.